Hi, this is Nissim. Today we are going to do a comparison between Cosmos, Hunyuan, and LTX. You will see each time 3 videos, each one render with the same prompt. You will see the comparison between them and how different the model are. You will see each one for 2 times as you saw now, and I will give you now some data about the models, the parameters, so you will have a little more knowledge about the comparison and how long it's going to be rendered. Okay. Now, if you will see some of the videos of the LTX that are not moving, it's not that the video is freeze. It's just this is the video that it generated. Some also the LTX is shorter, and this is why it's stopping before everyone else. So the parameters. First of all, the LTX. The LTX is rendered around 30 seconds for each video, which is very, very fast. I have the NVIDIA 4090. I'm rendering it on 20 steps, and the size is 768 on 512. The frames for each video of LTX are 65. We have only 65 frames, which are 2.5 seconds of the video. The Hunyuan is take 3.5 minutes. It means 7 times than the LTX. It's also 20 steps, and its size is 848 on 480. It's 73 frames, which are 3 seconds. Okay. The Cosmos it takes 15 minutes per video. Each video is 5 seconds, and I'm rendering it on 30 steps. So this is the instruction, so it will be good results. The size is almost HD, is 1280 on 702. So it can give us very good result and very high quality, as you see in the different videos. Each video here I made like up to 5 seconds, so you will see when each one is stopped and the other continue. As you can see, the Cosmos have much better quality. There are times that it's much better than the Hunyuan, and for sure from the LTX. I won't use the LTX because in most of the cases, there are some cases like the one here, which is very nice, but the video is very short. Now, one thing that you need to know about the rendering itself, each step of the rendering is rendered for all the frames in one time. It means that the algorithm need actually to render 73, 62, or 121 frames in one shot. So each time you do a layer for each frame for all the video. This is why you are a little limited for now. And this is why the algorithm is very important for the model itself. Now, I personally will use the Cosmos only when I have to get something real, like you see here. The Hunyuan, in some cases, even better than the Cosmos. So you can run it for 3.5 minutes each time, and then to get a result. But in the Cosmos, I got it much better, and instead of running 5 times Hunyuan to get one good result, I can run the Cosmos and actually get much better result. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Spread the word and have a great day. Bye.